Well, our display of peonies is finishing up here this spring, and I want to show you, if you're new to growing peonies, how to properly deadhead our old flowers. Now, it's really important to deadhead our old flowers on our peonies because these old flowers, if we do not remove them, they will continue to absorb most of the plant's energy into creating seed pods. If you do want to try to grow peonies from seeds, don't remove the old flowers, but by removing those old flowers and those potential seed pods, that's going to allow for your plant to continue providing the foliage with as much energy as possible, and that's going to keep your plant looking good in the garden. If you don't remove those seed pods, your foliage will start to go downhill rather rapidly, and that can end up leaving some pretty blank, big holes in your garden beds. That's not what I'm looking for. So let me show you how easy it is to correctly deadhead our peonies. So here we have our old flower, and we're just going to travel down this stem to where it meets our first leaf right here. And we're going to take our clean, sharp shears, or mostly clean, and just snip it off like that. And I would generally wait till the peonies have completely finished before removing all of the old flowers, and just do it all at once. Because it can be kind of pretty to have these old spent petals kind of still emanating and just kind of hanging out on our plant. It looks quite pretty. But there comes a point where you're going to want to remove them. And it's really just that simple. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. We have tons, hundreds of videos all about growing plants. Thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you later. Ciao.